viewers, in this video I am going to explain how to arrive at cost of redeemable preference shares. First, understand what is redeemable preference share. Redeemable preference shares are those shares which are redeemable after a specific period. The dividend payable on this type of share is called cost of redeemable preference shares. That is, the minimum return expected by this type of shareholders is cost of redeemable preference share. The formula to find out the cost of redeemable preference shares: KP. K is cost, P is preference shares. Cost of preference shares is equal to annual cost divided by average value of redeemable preference shares into 100. The formula to find out cost of redeemable preference shares is similar to that of cost of redeemable debt. The difference is redeemable debt has tax advantage. So, we calculate cost of debt before tax and cost of debt after tax. For redeemable preference shares, there is no tax advantage. So, cost of preference share before tax and after tax is not necessary. Interest payable for debt is cost of redeemable debt, and dividend payable for preference shares is cost of redeemable preference shares. This is the format to find out the annual cost. Instead of interest, write annual preference dividend for redeemable preference shares. With that, add issue expenses. If the issue is at discount, add the discount amount. If the redemption is at premium, add the premium amount. If the issue is at premium, deduct the amount of premium. We will arrive at annual cost. Average value of redeemable preference shares is equal to net proceeds plus redeemable value divided by 2. Net proceeds, if the issue is at par, net proceeds is equal to face value minus issue expenses. If the issue is at discount, face value minus discount minus issue expenses. If the issue is at premium, net proceeds is equal to face value plus premium minus issue expenses. For redeemable value, if the preference shares are redeemed at par, the redeemable value is equal to face value. If the preference shares are redeemed at premium, the redeemable value is equal to face value plus premium on redemption. We will see one problem. Ajay Limited issued 15,000 12% preference shares of ₹100, redeemable at 10% premium after 20 years. The flotation cost were 5%. Find out the cost of preference shares if they are issued at a discount. In this problem, the issue is at discount and redemption is at premium. First, calculate the annual cost. To find out the annual cost, first find out the annual preference dividend. Preference dividend, calculate on the face value of preference shares. Face value of preference share 15,000 into 100. This is the face value. Apply 12% dividend percentage. The dividend is 1,80,000. With the annual preference dividend, add issue expenses. Now, calculate issue expenses. For issue expenses, it is calculated at the face value or issue price, whichever is higher. Issue price is when the issue is at par, issue price is equal to face value. When the issue is at discount, the issue price is equal to face value minus discount. When the issue is at a premium, issue price is equal to face value plus premium. In this problem, the issue is at discount of 10%. So, issue price is equal to face value minus discount. Face value of shares, 15,000 shares into 100 rupees, 15 lakhs. Calculate the discount amount. Discount 15 lakh face value. Percentages, discount 10%. So 1,50,000 minus discount 1,50,000. Issue price is equal to 13,50,000. See the rules for issue expenses. Face value or issue price, whichever is higher. Face value is 15 lakhs. Issue price is 13,50,000. In this case, the face value is higher. So, use the face value to calculate the issue expenses. Issue expenses is the flotation cost were 5%. Apply 5%. 15 lakhs into 5%. 75,000 issue expenses. Write the issue expenses amount. It is 75,000. Issue expenses amortized per annum. To find out per annum, divide by number of years. Here the preference shares are redeemed after 20 years. So divide by 20 years. The amount is 3,750. Preference shares issued at discount. So add discount on issue. Discount amount, face value is 15,000 into 100. Issue at discount 10%. So the amount is 1,50,000. Issue expenses also amortized per annum. To find out per annum, divide by number of years, 20 years. The answer is 7,500. Next, premium on redemption. Yes, this problem is redeemable at a premium. So add premium on redemption. Redeemable at a premium of 10%. So 15,000 preference shares into 100. 10% premium. Apply 1,50,000. Premium on redemption also amortized per annum. So divide by number of years, 20 years. The amount is 7,500. Add preference dividend, issue expenses, discount on issue and premium. We will get annual cost 1,98,750. Next, find out the average value of redeemable preference shares. Average value is equal to net proceeds plus redeemable value divided by 2. Net proceeds in case If it is issued at discount, face value minus discount minus issue expenses. Face value minus discount minus issue expenses. Face value of shares is 15,000 into 100, 15 lakhs. Discount amount, discount is 1,50,000. Issue expenses is 75,000. Net proceeds is equal to 12,75,000. Redeemable value. Redeemable value, if the shares are redeemed at premium, redeemable value is equal to face value plus premium on redemption. Face value plus premium on redemption. Face value of shares is 15,000 into 100, 15 lakhs. Premium on redemption is 1,50,000. Redeemable value is 16,50,000. Average value of redeemable preference shares is equal to net proceeds plus redeemable value divided by 2. Net proceeds 12,75,000. Redeemable value 16,50,000 divided by 2. Average value is 14,62,500. Cost of preference shares is equal to annual cost divided by average value. Annual cost divided by average value of redeemable preference shares into 100. Annual cost 1,98,750. Average value of redeemable preference shares 14,62,500 into 100. Cost of preference shares is 13.59%.